Dear friends, welcome to Mega's tutorial Ilkal. In today's video, we are going to solve the hstr 2012 PM method paper. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like the content of this video.
Question number 11. A PN junction diode can be used for modulation, oscillation, rectification, amplification. So the PN junction diode, it can be used for rectification. Okay, it can be used as a rectifier, that is for the rectification process. So option number 3 will be the correct answer here. Number 12. If the ratio of concentration of the electrons to that of the holes in a semiconductor is 7 divided by 5 and the ratio of current is 7 by 4, then the ratio of their drift velocity we have to calculate here. So this is taken from the current electricity chapter of second year PUC. The drift velocity of the charge carriers per unit area of cross section is nothing but, it is given by the expression P is equal to I divided by N A Q. So we have the ratio here for current as 7 by 4 and for N value we are having 7 by 5. So we have to divide 7 by 4 divided by 7 by 5. So finally we are going to get it as 5 divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4, this will be the correct answer here, that is option number 4. 13. In ruby laser, the pumping method used to achieve population inversion is thermal pumping, electrical pumping, chemical pumping, optical pumping. So the correct option here is we are going to use the optical pumping method for achieving the population inversion in the ruby laser. For the ruby laser, we are going to use the optical pumping method to achieve the population inversion. That is the fourth one will be the correct option here. The physical quantity that remains constant in adiabatic expansion is, adiabatic process means neither the heat from the system is transferred to the surroundings or the heat from the surroundings can enter into the system. That is, the temperature of the system remains constant in case of the adiabatic expansion. So option number 1 will be the correct one here. 15. The wavelength range of gamma rays is, for the gamma rays, the wavelength range is 0.001 angstrom to 0.1 angstrom. So this is a direct question. Question number 16. The graphite rods used in the nuclear reactor 2. Why do we use the graphite rods in the nuclear reactors? It is used to slow down the speed of neutrons. Option number 2 will be the correct one. It is used to, the graphite rods are used in the nuclear reactor to slow down the process of neutrons. That is option number 2. 17. The electrical conductivity of a semiconductor increases when electromagnetic radiation of wavelength shorter than 2480 nanometer is incident on it. Then the band gap in electron volt for the semiconductor is, so to solve this we have to apply the formula for the energy band gap, that is given by E is equal to Hc divided by lambda. Let us solve this one. So we are going to use the formula E is equal to Hc divided by lambda. H and C are having the standard values. Then lambda is already given here. To solve it in electron volt, we multiply by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 electron volt. Question number 17, we are having 0.5 electron volt. That is, the fourth option will be the correct answer here. Next, question number 18. In a common base amplifier, the phase difference between the output signal voltage and input signal voltage is, it is always equal to 0. This will be always equal to 0. So option number 4 will be the correct answer here. Question number 19. Question number 19. The spectral series that lies completely in the ultraviolet region. So the series which lies in the ultraviolet region is nothing but the Lyman series. This lies in the ultraviolet region. The remaining series, that is the P-Fund series, this lies in the far infrared region, that is far IR region. Same way, the Balmer series, it lies in the visible region. This lies in the visible region. And the bracket series, this also lies in the bracket series, this also lies in the far infrared region, that is the far IR. Okay, so any one of the series can be asked in your exam. Another one series is nothing but the Pascan series, so it lies in the infrared region. Okay. Number 30, beta decay means emission of electrons from outermost electron orbit, radioactive nucleus, innermost electron orbit, or it is the stable nucleus. So beta decay means it is always the emission of a radioactive nucleus. Option number 2 will be the correct answer here. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting our channel. Thank you once again.